The YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone, Madripoor Manufacturing Excellence in Action. Objective: the team at a Madripoor manufacturing company successfully applies the principles of Madripoor manufacturing excellence to the production and maintenance of the YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone, a cutting-edge mecha designed for light industrial property sales in Madripoor. Scene setup. Location: a highly efficient and detail-oriented production cell in a Madripoor manufacturing company. The cell is filled with visual controls, ergonomic workstations, and meticulously planned processes. The YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone, a sleek and powerful mecha, is prominently displayed in both cycle mode and battleoid mode. Characters: Rick Grimes, director, team lead. Confident, strategic, and forward-thinking. He leads the team with a focus on innovation and efficiency. Sherlock Holmes, AI specialist. A cutting-edge AI with a holographic avatar responsible for data analysis and AI integration. Don Draper, charismatic and ambitious, always looking for ways to turn data into sales opportunities. Hermione Granger, intern, highly intelligent and eager to learn, she quickly adapts to new technologies and contributes to the team. Jarvis, a sophisticated AI that assists with data validation, cleanup, and real-time analytics. Opening scene. The team is gathered around the production cell. Rick stands at the front, explaining the principles of Madripoor manufacturing excellence. The YVR-0555 Devastator Cyclone is displayed in cycle mode with its sleek design and advanced features on full display. Welcome to the heart of Madripoor manufacturing excellence. Today, we're going to see how these principles are applied to the production and maintenance of the YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone. This mecha is designed to revolutionize light industrial property sales in Silicon Valley. Let's dive in. Sherlock Holmes's holographic avatar appears next to Rick. It gestures toward the production cell, highlighting the visual controls and ergonomic workstations. Sherlock Holmes. This production cell is a masterclass in efficiency and attention to detail. Let's start with the visual controls. The team looks at the color-coded bins: yellow for stainless steel parts, clear for parts ready for heat treatment, red for defects, blue for parts with uncertain tolerances, and green for tool storage. The Kanban board is visible in the background, with columns labeled Icebox, Emergency, In Progress, Testing, and Complete. Yellow bins indicate stainless steel parts, clear bins are for parts ready for heat treatment, and red bins are for defects. There are 6 types of potential defects, each placed in the appropriate bin. Blue bins are for parts with uncertain tolerances, and green bins are for tool storage. What about the yellow bin labeled Rejected? What's that for? Parts dropped on the floor are automatically rejected and placed in the yellow Rejected bin. This ensures that only the highest quality parts make it through the production process. Middle scene. Rick walks over to a green board displaying 10-minute work instructions. The instructions are visual and easy to follow. These visual instructions enable quick training. Anyone can learn a procedure in just 10 minutes. This is a key aspect of the Toyota quality philosophy: visual management and continuous improvement. Hermione Granger raises her hand, looking curious. She's been taking notes on her tablet. How does this attention to detail translate to the YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone? Great question, Hermione. The same principles of visual management, ergonomics, and meticulous planning are applied to the production and maintenance of the Cyclone. For example, everything is on wheels, dollies, carts, for easy movement. Workstations are clearly marked, and tools are stored in green bins for easy access. The team watches as an employee demonstrates the flip tray, which is angled to minimize reaching and flips to reorient parts. Sherlock Holmes. This flip tray is a perfect example of ergonomics and efficiency. It minimizes reaching and reorients parts with a simple flip. Every aspect of the process is meticulously planned. Climactic scene. Rick turns to the team, activating the Jarvis's interface on a nearby screen. Rick, now let's see how these principles are applied to the YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone in action. Sherlock Holmes, walk us through the process. Sherlock Holmes's holographic avatar appears next to the YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone, which transforms from cycle mode to battleoid mode. The team watches in awe as the mecha's advanced features are highlighted. Sherlock Holmes. The YVR-055 Devastator Cyclone is a marvel of engineering. In cycle mode, it's 2.41 meters long, 1.29 meters high, and 0.50 meters wide. In battleoid mode, it stands at 2.50 meters tall, with a breadth of 1.03 meters and a depth of 1.70 meters. The Jarvis's interface displays real-time analytics and data validation for the Cyclone's performance. The Cyclone's performance is continuously monitored and validated using AI-powered tools. This ensures that it operates at peak efficiency and is always ready for action. The team watches as the Jarvis runs diagnostics on the Cyclone, highlighting potential issues and suggesting corrections in real time. This is incredible. With the AI's help, we can ensure that the Cyclone is always in top condition, ready to revolutionize light industrial property sales in Silicon Valley. Closing scene. The screen fades to a montage of the team working, Sherlock Holmes and Hermione analyzing data, Don Draper preparing sales materials, and Rick reviewing the final pipeline. The Kanban board shows all task cards moving to complete. The atmosphere is focused but upbeat. Rick. The YVR 0055 Devastator Cyclone is more than just a mecha. It's a testament to Madripoor manufacturing excellence. With visual controls, ergonomics, and meticulous planning, we're turning data into opportunities and revolutionizing the way we do business. The screen fades to black with the text, Palo Protec, turning data into opportunities.